So like, we're just about to go to the art museum. It's almost 12 o'clock. Look at this. Look at my feet. These are my roommates. Yo, say what's up, guys. We're about to go to the art museum.
Yo, what's up? Yo, check this out.
Yo, dude, we're a little bit behind on our RD work, so we thought we'd just get a head start.
Look at this. I don't even know where the steps are. Look.
We're walking to school.
Yeah. Oh, man. So,
Whoa, big black.
look at
It's
it.
like wiped out, dude. Yo, I'm riding this.
Yo. Hold on.
I can't. Whoa, dude, my butt.
Dude.
is so padded. Oh my god, dude.
Damn, dude. Look at this. My shoes are already wet.
Yo, ready? Get this.
Dude, make humping angels. Let's be out. That looks,
Dude, now that there's no one out, we can have like.
you gotta walk. Yo, you gotta walk in the middle.
I can't believe we have this much snow, dude.
Dude, this is fucking crazy.
I can't, dude. This is.
Day so and so. Look at this.
Look at my hand.
Look.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm definitely go on the side where there's everybody pushed it. Dude.
That's like a foot at least.
Wow.
And
That's
it's
at
still
least a
snowing.
foot.
To be continued, we're going to Wawa. 15th and Green, the 20th in Hamilton. Alright.